Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rage Quit Geometry Dash. These levels are notorious for their extreme difficulty and often unfair design, aiming to test your patience and skill to their absolute limits. You'll encounter numerous unexpected traps, invisible obstacles, and incredibly precise timing windows. Mastering these levels demands a unique blend of memorization, quick reflexes, and a resilient mindset. Get ready to learn how to conquer these frustrating challenges. Rage Quit levels are filled with deceptive mechanics designed to catch you off guard. You'll frequently encounter hidden spikes, fake blocks that disappear, and sudden, unpredictable changes in speed or gravity. Many orbs and pads are strategically placed to trick you into an instant demise. The key to progressing is to meticulously memorize each section and practice those specific parts until they become second nature. Don't get discouraged by repeated failures. To conquer these challenging levels, effective strategies are crucial. Make extensive use of practice mode. It's your best friend for learning the intricate layouts and pinpointing every hidden danger. Instead of tackling the entire level at once, break it down into smaller, more manageable segments. Focus on mastering each segment individually before attempting to link them together. Recording your gameplay can also be incredibly helpful for reviewing mistakes and refining your approach. A strong mindset is perhaps the most critical tool for playing Rage Quit levels. It's easy to get frustrated, but maintaining a calm and patient attitude will significantly improve your performance. If you feel overwhelmed, take a short break. Stepping away can prevent burnout and help you return with renewed focus. Remember to celebrate every small victory, like clearing a particularly tricky section. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how incremental, to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.